Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a loading splash page in Wix. This is a great way to add a professional touch to your mobile site and create a memorable first impression for visitors. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website. Once you're there, log into your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Look to the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with various options. From this menu, click on Website to proceed to your site management area. Now you should see the website settings page. Take a moment here to make sure that this is the correct website you wish to create a loading splash page on. It's always good to double check, especially if you manage multiple sites under your account. This ensures you're making changes to the right project. Once you've confirmed you're working on the correct site, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find this button on the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. Click on it to move forward. This will direct you into the Wix website editor where all the design magic happens. You'll now be on the Wix website editor screen. The first thing we need to do is access the mobile tools, since the loading splash page is specifically designed for mobile viewers. From your website editor page, locate the mobile view icon and click on it. You'll notice that the mobile view has a different left navigation menu compared to the desktop editor. This is where you can customize features specifically for mobile users. From this left navigation menu, select Mobile Tools. Within the Mobile Tools section, look for the option labeled Welcome Screen. This is the feature that will allow you to create your loading splash page. Click on the plus button next to it. This action opens up the Welcome Screen Designer window where you can start building your splash page. From the Designer window, you'll see various options to choose the animation you want to use for your welcome screen. Wix offers a range of animations and directions that you can customize to match your brand's style and vibe. Take your time exploring the different options available. Once you've customized your animation, you can preview it by clicking on the Play Animation button located on the top part of your screen. This lets you see exactly how your splash page will look to mobile visitors before making it live. If you're satisfied with how it looks and feels, click Done on the bottom right corner of your screen to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully created a loading splash page for your Wix mobile site. This simple addition can significantly enhance the user experience and give your site a more polished, professional appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.